it is time for Pretty Pictures with Katie and also solar system weather. So Katie, what do you have for us tonight?
Our first couple images are telescopic images from telescope demonstrator Anthony Perkic. This one here is the Cocoon Nebula in constellation Cygnus. Beautiful image. And then we have the Helix Nebula. This one's in Aquarius. And these two are from David Pinsky. This is the September 13 SpaceX launch of Starlink. This is a sunset that I took during a hike in Griffith Park. And a beautiful harvest moon over New York City. This one's by Alexander Krevenishev. And another one of the moon there. Then we have the first sunset of autumn. On the left is from David Pinsky, and on the right is Anthony Perkic. And that same evening, this is Jupiter and Saturn above the Samuel Ocean Planetarium Dome at Griffith Observatory from Anthony Perkic. And this is another Pinsky image of beautiful Jupiter and its moons. From left to right, we have Io, Europa, and Ganymede far off to the right there. And then this one is from Damian Peach. This is Saturn from 2004 on the left, all the way to 2015 on the right. And then some beautiful cloud images. These are from Eric Whitaker, who was our guest on All Space Considered in previous months. These are some altocumulus clouds over Los Angeles. And then these are some stratocumulus during a sunset in winter 2020 from Eric Whitaker. And here we have our sun from September 11. The sun was very active in mid-September and actually produced some incredible aurora. This video is from Evan Zucker, and him and his wife actually took a trip from San Diego all the way up to Alberta, Canada to get these shots. And that's from Paula, just beautiful images. That leads us to our NOAA Aurora probability forecast for today. Left is the northern hemisphere, and on the right is the southern hemisphere. So it doesn't show too much. You can see the probability on the bottom left there. Bright green is about 10% or so. But keep checking this if you are interested in viewing some aurora.
Thank you, Katie. In fact, if you're interested in aurorae, we're headed towards solar maximum. Of course, it is the sun's solar wind coming off of it, interacting with the Earth's magnetic field that generate the aurora. So the sun needs to be active to have a strong magnetic field, and we've been at solar minimum, but we're coming out of it. We show images of the sun to our school kids that come to our school program, and lately there's been some sunspots, and sunspots indicate activity, and activity means more auroras coming. So, plan those trips to the northern regions or the southern regions, and you might get to see one yourself.